Good morning, big boy. Oh, dia simpan anak dia kat bawah tu.
Semalam pergi hunting dapat apa?
Hina.
There's a lion over there. There's a whole pride.
Yeah.
Holy.
What's that then?
My stomach.
Oh, what a morning, Noah.
Footage ni.
Please don't waste my memory, Warhawk. Do something interesting.
Get killed.
Oh, gangster.
The stick is hanging out. Zebra crossing.
Why, my friends? Ooh, carpet. So we've just arrived in Crocodile Bridge Camp. Let's check it out, shall we? Yo, so right now we're at our last camp's tent. We're at Crocodile Bridge Camp. So this is our tent number 3. As you can see, the lady is still cleaning it, but check it out around us. Yeah, this place looks kind of dope. Slightly better than the Orpin camp that we stayed on our first night and second night, but yeah, I think we got a river over there. We're gonna check it out right now. Oh yeah, this is nice. See, we got a bridge there. Not too sure what that is, but yeah, it's kind of hard to see the river because of the thick bushes, and obviously this fence right here. But yeah, so welcome to our tent in Crocodile Bridge. We've got furnitures here, fridge just to avoid the baboons and the honey badgers from taking our food, a little table, and inside it's as simple as the one in Orpin camp, but it's a little smaller, I think. Yeah, it's a little smaller, and we've got windows this time, so that's the review. And the kitchen here looks good and complete, just like the last two. The stoves, 4 sinks, and boiling water.
This is not the picture, no?
Jom. Is it?
I think so. Let's just be quiet. There would be a bride. Cannot be a solitary female. Yeah. Oh, it's
Kenapa? Takut dia bounce ke?
wow. There are two females.
Wow, Papa.
He's going to move right beside the car. Wow. Gosh. I'm sorry I blocked your way. Okay, that's a second female.
Diorang macam nak hunting kan?
The second female is just going to move right beside the car.
Oh my god. Sniffing the car.
Sniffing the car.
Careful, there's lions down the road. Oh, tahu kau lari. Besar, kena gigit.
Lion tu.
Oh, shit. Tough day for you, ah.
Dia punya tengkuk tu kena macam kena poacher punya ni ya.
Trap.
Macam ada
The walk of shame, siut. Tapi dia macam disease tu.
Set a timer.
Hi, so right now we're gonna stop and have a picnic along the Sabi River. I'm not sure what this place is called yet. I just stopped here for toilet, but we decided to have our picnic here. So they've got a merch shop, a restaurant, and a beautiful view. So let's start cooking.
Oh there.
Oh, kat atas lah. Yeah. Mr. Vervet is here. Hey, apa cakap awak?
So there's some burning in Kruger. These are controlled burning. This burning is to ensure that when this grass is burned, new and fresh vegetation will actually emerge. So this is part of the park management for Kruger, controlled burning.
The more you know. Right, we're here right now in Lower Sabi. We're just gonna check out the souvenir shop and the restaurants. Cheers. Ladies entrance pak.
Nice entrance. Not anymore.
Hippos ke tu? Tu depan ni. So that's it folks, today will be our last morning game drive and we'll be checking out from Crocodile Bridge Camp soon and it'll be our final day in Kruger National Park. It's been a wonderful journey and I hope to visit this place someday, maybe sometime soon, but it's been an incredible experience and I've loved Kruger National Park so far, so that's yeah. Picture of you. Pindy one.
Okay, so we are at the Melalani gate, making our exit from Kruger, sadly. So we've been here for 7 days and 6 nights, driven no less than 1,400 kilometers, stayed in 3 different camps, and we've seen so many wonderful sights and the animals are just gorgeous. So join us in our next adventure. We are heading towards Cape Town. I'll be stopping all along the way to see what else South Africa has got to offer. I am good. How are you?
Good. Do you have a firearm with you?
No, no.
Can I check?
Of course.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Oh, that's a school trip. Oh man, animals are gonna be scared.
Oh, come on.